Valutrades. Welcome to this week's Market Blast Fundamentals. I'm Brad Alexander, and on behalf of Valutrades, today we will take a look at WTI, dollar CAD, gold, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Euro-dollar. We are seeing the US dollar getting a bit stronger over the last week, and investors will be waiting for the US Federal Reserve's conference in Jackson Hole, Wyoming this week. The latest outbreak of the COVID Delta variant and slowing vaccination numbers will likely have Jerome Powell change his stance on bond purchasing tapering and future interest rate decisions. This will affect the US dollar and US equities. Speaking of which, we saw a big sell-off last week across the board in US equities, but optimistic investors were eager to buy the dip and prices are recovering. We see the NASDAQ back to resistance and the Dow Jones Industrial Average still has some room to move to the upside. Gold is still consolidating with a slight bearish bias at about $17.85, and any news from Jackson Hole will also affect the price of gold as it is correlated to the bond market and the US dollar. The Canadian dollar seems to be showing signs of recovery after last Friday's very good retail sales figures and some optimism with the price of crude oil, and we will look at CAD from the technical side tomorrow. WTI has recovered a bit, but is still in a clear downtrend, and only good news on COVID will give optimism on oil demand. Besides Jackson Hole, we have a lot of economic news from the US like home sales, goods orders, and gross domestic product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you tomorrow. CFDs and FX are leveraged products and your capital may be at risk.